In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix gaps on Tradingview charts. Whether you're new to the world of trading or a seasoned investor, dealing with gaps on charts can be both confusing and frustrating. Fortunately, it's a straightforward process to resolve this issue, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can have clean, uninterrupted data in no time. First things first, head over to Tradingview and open the chart that you're working with. This will be our starting point for tackling those pesky gaps. Once your chart is loaded and ready, you'll want to locate any one of the candlesticks that are displayed on your chart. Simply click on any of these candlesticks. Doing this allows you to access more options and customizations that Tradingview offers. After clicking on a candle, you should then see several options pop up. What you're going to do next is click on the step line option. This option helps you transition away from using traditional candlesticks and begins the process of smoothing out the visual representation of your data. Now that we've selected the step line approach, the next thing to do is to right-click directly on your chart. This is a crucial step, as right-clicking will bring up a context menu with further settings and adjustments that we need to refine. When the menu appears, locate and click on Settings. Within this Settings menu, there are a wealth of customization options tailored to developing a chart that suits your insights and preferences. For our purpose, we need to address the colors on this chart. Adjust both the colors to your desired choice. Although the colors themselves won't affect gaps, changing them can help you better visualize upcoming modifications. Next, find the option to adjust opacity. You're going to want to set this to 0. This adjustment essentially makes it so that certain elements of the chart, which might create the illusion of gaps, are no longer visible, lending to a clearer view. After making these changes, confirm everything by clicking OK. This action should solidify all the tweaks you've made to your chart. With the chart settings perfected, turn your attention to indicators. Click on Indicators, located on your Tradingview platform, and use the search bar to find No Gaps candles. Once you apply this indicator, you'll notice an immediate improvement. The gaps that were once visible on your chart should now be eliminated, and there you have it. Following these steps should result in a seamless chart free of any distracting gaps. The ability to clearly interpret your data is crucial, and now with this method, you're one step closer to making more informed trading decisions. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.